In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see old Google Maps satellite images. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Maps. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once Google Maps loads, make sure you're in the default Maps view to start with. It can be helpful to maximize your browser window so you have as much screen space as possible. Next, use the search bar at the top left to type in the location you're interested in. This could be an address, a city, a landmark, or even coordinates if you have them. Press Enter, and Google Maps will zoom into that location. Take a moment to adjust the zoom level using the plus and minus controls in the bottom right corner, or by scrolling with your mouse. Get to a scale where the area you want to compare over time clearly fits on your screen. Now, switch from the default map view to the satellite view. You'll usually see a small button or tile in the corner of the map labeled Satellite. Click that, and the map will change to aerial imagery. Give it a second to load, especially if your internet connection is slower, because satellite images can be fairly high resolution. Once you're in satellite view, look for a small clock or timeline icon. On many versions of Google Maps, historic imagery is actually accessed through Google Earth rather than directly inside Maps. So I recommend using the web version of Google Earth if you don't see a time control right away. You can get there by searching for Google Earth in your browser and opening the web version. Inside Google Earth, search for the same location again using the search bar. When it zooms in, make sure you're still in satellite or 3D imagery mode. At the bottom or top of the screen, you should see a timeline slider or a date indicator. Click on that, and a series of available dates will appear. These represent different satellite captures over the years for that exact area. Now slowly drag the timeline slider or click on the different dates. Each time you select a date, the imagery will update to show how that location looked at that point in time. Some areas will have many dates. Others might only have a few, depending on how often they've been photographed. Take your time to compare changes and zoom in or out as needed. When you're done, you can simply close the timeline to return to the most recent satellite view.